Now, from volatility perspective, if I say whether it is a call or a put, the volatility or uncertainty is maximum at the money. And as you go both sides, you would be seeing that the volatility is settling down. But if it is, let's say, it is in the money, then what will keep increasing? Intrinsic value will keep increasing. Volatility will come down. And in the money means what? That your strike price is, for call the strike price will be lower, for put the strike price will be higher, right? And out of the money, again, intrinsic value will keep coming down. It will, in fact, out of the money will be zero on intrinsic value. Volatility also will keep coming down. That's how the premiums would behave. Now, this volatility smile where at the money is at the center, what is that? Let me explain that quickly if you can understand. Now, imagine that this is at the money option. Okay, all right. And this is the volatility. Now, volatility is also called the implied volatility. You know what is implied volatility? Let me explain first that, and then I'll go back. Now, suppose you are buying a call of 2300 strike price when the spot is 2500. This is the exercise price. This is the spot price. Okay. And 23 days are left in expiry. Fine. This is a call European. Now, there is a model called Black-Scholes model. You don't need to know the formula of it because all the models and their related formulas are available on the internet openly. So you can just write Black-Scholes model calculator and it will come. But you don't need to do all of this these days. Suppose Black-Scholes models, it helps you to calculate the premium. You already know from my previous discussion that premium can be calculated as a mix of three things: intrinsic value, volatility, and time value. Correct? Now, intrinsic value, time value, and volatility, I said, right? Time value, volatility is equal to extrinsic value. And this is intrinsic value. Now, how do you know the intrinsic value? Spot price and strike price, exercise price, which means is same. These two words are same. How would you know time value? Time value will depend upon the time till expiry, N, period. And it also will depend upon the rate of interest you are taking, interest rate, I%, right? R%, I%. How would you calculate volatility? That will be actually based on the standard deviation, sigma, of the underlying asset. How much volatile the underlying asset is, that will kind of make the stock more or less, you can say, volatile or less volatile or high volatile. So actually there are these 5 factors which goes inside the Black-Scholes model to calculate the premium. Now, based on this will give me the intrinsic value, this will give me the time value, this will give me the volatility. Based on all of this, the premium of 2300 ka call is coming to 230 rupees. But the actual market price is 235. What does it mean? It means that as per the given situation, see, is there any ambiguity in the intrinsic value here? No. Everyone knows intrinsic value is 200. Everyone knows that the time value can be calculated by a simple mathematical formula and there is no uncertainty about it because the number of days is 23 and the interest rate or risk-free return of a country is also known at any point of time. So suppose the time value of money here is 15 rupees. And then maybe the sigma component, the standard deviation, which you have calculated based on the past historical price movement of the underlying asset in the market, in the cash market, spot market, that is, let's say 7% or 8% movement is there. Based on that, you have calculated that a Black-Scholes model had a measure for that. You have calculated that the volatility is also 50. Fine. Now, this is what you expect the price. This is the actual price in the market. Okay. So the actual price of this is call, which is basically the premium I'm calling. Price of a call means the premium, the value. This is the value in my eyes. Okay. Whereas this is the intrinsic value, this is the time value, this is the volatility. This is the actual price of that call or the premium.